edition of Miss Lindsay Science class. Today we're going to learn about butterflies and their life cycles. Why don't we get started? The first stage of a butterfly is the egg. This is a very small egg that can be found on leaves and is usually white or clear. So you can go look outside maybe during the spring and see if you find any eggs underneath leaves. The next stage is the caterpillar stage, and we know this one pretty well through reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. The caterpillar kind of looks like a worm, but it likes to eat and eat and eat because it's getting ready to become a beautiful butterfly. Now, after the caterpillar eats lots of leaves and plants and some fruit, it goes and it becomes the pupa or chrysalis. Now the pupa is for moths and the chrysalis is for butterflies, but they're pretty much the same thing. What happens is the caterpillar spins silk all around itself and hangs from a leaf. Now, when it hangs from that leaf, that time can either last from a day or a month, and basically it's a big nap. Now that nap is when the caterpillar changes into the beautiful butterfly that we see flying around outside. So, when it's changing, it's called metamorphosis. And it's just that change from a caterpillar to the butterfly. And that is our last stage, the adult butterfly. The butterfly has a lifespan or life that can last from 1 day to a year, depending on what butterfly it is. When it's a butterfly, they eat different things like pollen from flowers and juice from fruit and all different things like juices. Now they don't eat any meat or anything like that we might eat, like a hot dog or pizza. They just basically have juices and natural fruits. Also, when it's an adult, it does not like the cold. So it would not like buffalo in the snow. So what happens is that the butterfly usually lives somewhere warm, or it travels to different places where it is warm. Now this is called migration. Migration is when a butterfly goes from one warm place, such as Buffalo in the summer, and then it flies down to somewhere like Florida during the winter. Another thing that an adult butterfly likes to do is to make sure that they lay eggs. So they try and find another butterfly to lay eggs so they can have more butterflies in this flying around. Now that is the life cycle of butterflies. The egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis or pupa, and the adult butterfly. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you liked learning about butterflies.